What is this place? This place is so cool. What's up here? Why are you going on that side? I'm so excited to ride. It's been 2 weeks. I'm well happy. Just stay with me. The weather isn't great, but it's dry. Ish. So yeah, I've decided I'm gonna try and convince my dad to do the 100-mile loop after we've done his tyre, but I think he'll protest a little bit. He said he doesn't feel well, but we'll see. Might try and do it and then maybe cut it short because it's in the peak, so we know where we're going. Yeah, I'll do 3 Shires Head again, but the other way, because that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm super pumped to finally get on my bike. It's only been 2 weeks. Imagine if you broke something and you had to be off your bike for at least 6 weeks. We've got to navigate this turn. Look at them views, eh? Bit of New Mills, another 6-finger town. Full of them around here. In Le Peaks. Alright. I may do a little time-lapse thing with my dad doing his tyre. Maybe. Or we might go straight into the trails. Don't know. Or I might not even include this bit onto the edit. Who knows? Right. Ciao. Alright, I've skipped out a bit just because I know we're going to be on this for a long time. Pin neck, I'm betting my pegs on them. Well, my feet. Bicyclist. Cheers! Woo, this is slick. Slippy dippy. So, as you can see, I've taken the phone holder off because, especially on roads like this, it was just going and it was just going to snap off. So I didn't really fancy losing my phone today. Oh, good. There's another one coming, you might want to wait. Oh, it is! Hello! Oh my God, Lindsay in the back then! It's alright. Alright. Fancy seeing you here. Just don't kick me. Nice shoes. Right, let's go. So that's actually my stepmom at the back then. I thought I recognised the voice. Oh, it's funny that. This has got bigger. Wipe this.
first road is the road that I bumped into that Tesla on. I'm going to actually do second. Is second. Why is this worse? This is the... Holy shit! This is the sketchiest I've ever gotten up that. Okay. Fucking hell! I know why. It's because it's slippy. There's no point saving that. That hurt my wrist. I'll wait for that to come up. Oh, that was so funny. Oh, but my hand hurts. Okay. I want to get his reaction. He stops. I think he's stuck as well. Why are you going on that side? You trying to copy me? Yeah. It's because it's wet. Well, that was hard work. This is the easy bit. We've got zero grip on those rocks down there. A lot of that is because obviously doing green laning, so our tyre pressures are like 14, 15, so it's just not wrapping around the rocks. Okay, visibility is absolutely shocking. I can't see a thing through my goggles. Have I gone the right way? I think it's here where we turn right. Let me have... Which way is the arrow pointing? See, the arrow's going straight. Yeah, I definitely didn't go the wrong way. So we should have turned right as we came up to that bit, so let's go. Okay, yeah, this is a little bit more interesting. Some big old rocks. Some big bloody rocks there. Anyone would think we're near a quarry. I was going to say, this path on the left looks a bit smoother, but do I want smooth? Do I want the easy way out? For now. There we go. Let's go back in it. Go. I can't see a thing. I am so misted up. Actually can't see anything. Oh, there's a rock. How steep is this? Oh no, we're good. For now. Because I have been fooled before. Been down lanes that lead you into a false sense of security. And then bam! They hit you with the tough stuff. Should we go that way? I don't know where I'm going. I'm going so slow. What is this place? I've seen this. I've seen people playing it. Ah, so this is the place. This is the place. Epic. I did wonder where this was. I think we're going to have a little play. Oh, shit, people go up what? I forgot I can't go backwards in neutral in gear in this. Not today. I got this one here though. I'll call this on the right. We'll go up some of them. Have a wee butcher's laddie. I've always wanted to know where this. Hey, that looks cool. So I'm just gonna have a little play on it for a little bit, and then I think we're gonna. I should probably be in first for this. Let's go up one of them because they look small and inviting, which is easier to start off on. It gets you used to big old rocks, doesn't it? This is ace! So people probably jump off that, I imagine. I'll tell you what I might actually get. I might get some shots of me going up stuff, but I will admit it's not that impressive. It's just little stuff, but it's good fun. I'm gonna try. Where's my dad putting his helmet on? Because my bag's over there. I didn't realise I was in first. This place is crazy. Actually crazy. What's up this? Let's go up here. God, there's all sorts. It's like wooded runs. This place is so cool. What's up here? This place is awesome. Slightly different terrain to what I'm used to. Can I go through this? I'm gonna hit my pecs. Maybe. Got no grip today, mate. No grip, Zach. Let's swap this way. Really helps with bike control of this. That's nearly fell. Perfect timing. Oh. I'm going to aim for this little cluster of rocks. And that was actually... that was actually okay. God, people go up that? This GoPro won't show it, but that's actually nuts. I'm not going up that. You can sod right off. Oop. I think I might jump that, you know. I'm in fucking neutral. Stole my dad's bike. I don't think I like it. Wait, I tell you what, it's powerful though. It's got some guts, hasn't it? Yes, it's got. I do like his exhaust. It's alright, that. All I wanted to do is get second. There we go. Right, what was I saying? Yeah, that was pretty darn cool, I must say so myself. I enjoyed that a lot. I like to go in the summer months when it's a bit drier. Yeah, because my tyres my tyres crap at grip. I was going wherever my bike wanted to go then. Can't see what I'm actually. Come on. There we go. There we go. And we're off. Where's he gone? Bloody hell, he hasn't even waited for me. Nice one, Dad. Could have been stuck. Bike might not have started. Oh, he's waiting there. Ready? Come on. This is getting deeper and deeper, this. My feet are hitting the ruts. Might have to stop coming down this. Preserve it. Maybe come up with some dirt and pack it out. My front brake is not working. He's right behind me. Bloody hell. Go, Dad. You good? Oh, alrighty. Oh, that's the end of that. That playground place was epic. I don't know if it's like a disused quarry or something, but no, that was well cool. Just like loads of different little runs you can do. There's some like wooded bits, sandy bits, some real steep climbs actually. But there's lots of baby stuff as well to work your way up to it. So definitely want to get back there. So that we only did like a quarter of the run, but I'm gonna get a quad lock. Just so it makes navigation so much easier, because if you don't know the route, you're constantly looking at your phone and going the wrong way. But yeah, that was ace. Right, don't know when the next one will be out, so I'm gonna need to heal up, so I'll see you soon.